Okay, so as you can see over here, this is Shadowfi 2. So in this video, we are going to learn how to fix Shadowfi 2 data corrupt problem. So if you're having this problem, or if you're facing this problem, this is how to go about with it. First of all, you have to tap on the subscribe button, like the video, and also after watching the video, tap on the share button to share it with your friends who are also finding it difficult to fix this problem. So go to your phone menu, then you search for settings. So when you see settings, just tap on it. After that, tap on apps and notifications, or apps and management, or apps and preference. So when you see it, tap on it. After that, when it opens, tap on see all apps over here. Then after that, you search for Shadowfi 2. So you just scroll to search for your Shadowfi 2 app over here. So when it becomes very difficult for you to find it, you tap on the search bar over here, then you type in shadow, and you are going to see Shadowfi 2. Tap on it. After that, you tap on notifications to check whether this is on. So when it's off like this, tap on it, then you go back, then you also tap on it, storage and cache, then you have to clear the cache and also the storage, and tap on the mobile data and Wi-Fi. When it is off like this, then it's on, then you go back. After that, what you have to do is tap on advanced, then you tap on app details, and it's going to send you to Play Store. So tap on it. So when it opens, what you have to do next is to tap on the update section over here. This is very important. You have to update it to get the latest version of it. You get me? So you tap over here to update it. So you tap on it. After tapping on it, you are going to see this over here, that it's loading over here, and it's also pending over here. You get me? So you wait for some while and it's going to start to download. So let's wait. So as you can see, it's now around 0% and it's moving. So let's wait. It's going to load from 1% to 100%. So guys, without wasting much time, let's end over here because it's working slow. So after updating it, what you have to do next is to restart or reboot your phone. I mean, turn it off, then you turn it on again. After that, everything is going to be fixed and you're going to use this app successfully. Thanks very much for watching this video. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends on other social media platforms. Please, if you found this video being helpful, please tap on the like button. When you tap on the subscribe button, also turn the notification on, the bell on, so that you get notified when I drop in a new video. See you in my next video. Bye. Peace.